What up, y'all? It's your man, it's the Herman Star, back again with another video, and I'm here to do the general read for the sign of Aquarius. You know, I haven't been making the announcement. That's my bad. But first of all, happy birthday, Aquarius. We are officially in Aquarius season. With that being said, it is your turn to get the free personal reads. If you would like to book a free personal read for your birthday, if you have an upcoming birthday, of course, let me know and shoot me an email. Same ordeal for any time of the year. Shoot me an email, and you know it's free of cost for Aquarius. It's Aquarius suns. Okay, when I say birthdays, I mean your sun sign, people. All right, so you know, if you are Aquarius sun and you have a birthday coming up, you are able to book a free personal read. If your birthday is past, happy belated birthday. But you know, I plan to do this every year that I do these tarot readings. Therefore, you know, there's always next year, God willing. So this is your general read. Let's get it started. We got your cards already. Let's get it started. We have the King of Pentacles. This has been showing up quite a lot for, well, I won't say a lot, but I've been seeing it, you know, quite a few times. And I love seeing it, you know, definitely in its upright position of, this is someone who's a great leader, someone who leads with kindness as well, someone who is kind to themselves. And I think that, this isn't necessarily someone outside of you. I think this is you. Pertaining to your other cards here, you need a bit of this. This is what you really need more of for yourself right now at this time, especially it being your birthday season. You know, you should be more kind to yourself. And I know you're probably in, like, it seems as though you're in go mode in regards to whatever that you have a passion for, you know. Your next card is the 8 of Wands in reverse. So this and of course your last card are the main reasons why I feel that you really need the kindness, other than the King of Pentacles showing up, because this is someone who, you know, essentially they're overworking themselves to the point where they're causing a mess, they're causing ruckus. And again, I think it has to do with a lot of, you know, what you do in general, something that you are very passionate about. You know, I bring that up because the Ace of Cups showed up, but in reverse. So when it's upright, it is definitely the card of love, passion for an activity. Again, I have to remind folk that this is not the love of an individual. This is more so the love of something outside of loving another person. You know, it's, if you are a fitness influencer or just you're into fitness in general, right? It's a love of that. You know, if you're a writer, it's a love of writing. If you're an actor, it's a love of acting. You know, whatever that thing is, it's a love of that, whatever. And it's usually, again, you know, work, you know, something outside of a person. But right here in reverse, it's you not really, you know, appreciating the work or putting the love into the work that you should. You know, and this could be because of, you know, this mayhem that the 8 of Wands in reverse again symbolizes. You know, you're probably going about things in a way that isn't necessarily the most productive, you know. But the King of Pentacles, at least, and it's good that this is shown, that you're on a path of being able to sit down, and you might look out, now that I'm seeing, like, you might actually seek out this wise counsel. You might seek out somebody who can give you that kindness, you know, give you that support that you need, because you are who you are. I'm gonna pull one more card and see, you know, top of the deck, what do we get? All right, nice. Temperance. Okay, this time not in reverse like it's been showing up. This is moderation, patience, just all of that. So yeah, this is great to start off with the King of the Pentacles, which is pretty much kindness, and then to end off with temperance. This is really the universe saying, like, have patience for yourself in regards to this work, whatever you do. We all have dreams, we all have desires. I myself have dreams and desires and goals for the things that I do, of course, for this channel, and again, the things that I do in general. And I'm an Aquarius rising, so that's just a bit about me for those who didn't know. But as far as what the universe is saying here, like, again, we all have goals, dreams, all this stuff. But these things do not get accomplished when we're hard on ourselves. These things do not get accomplished, or we make it harder for ourselves when we're not putting in the effort and the love into that thing, the proper effort and love into that thing that we should. We might have a million ideas just racing in our head. You might be someone like that, where you have a million ideas racing through your head. And because you have a million ideas racing through your head, you feel like you need to do a million things at once. When in actuality, you just really need to just center yourself, honestly. Center yourself. Take the time to center yourself, as the temperance is reminding you to do so. Center yourself. And if you need to take a moment to sit and either strategize, just sit and clear your mind, honestly. Really, I don't even think at this moment in time you should be sitting to strategize. I think you should be sitting to declutter your mind and relax. And then once you're ready, and you will know when that is, once you're ready, pick back up so you are able to give the proper love to whatever this thing is for you. That's what I have for you today. I'm glad I got, to clarify, a bit what's going on here. But yeah, Aquarius, this is your general read. If you would like a personal read and you have a birthday coming up, once again, you are able to get that free reading for your birthday. By the way, when I say birthday reads are free, they are free, of course, but you don't necessarily have to get the reading exactly on your birthday. It just has to be coming up. I'm recording this on January 24th, right? Let's just say your birthday is the 27th, right? Well, if you don't want to wait until the 27th to get your birthday gift from me, just let me know in the email, like, hey, my birthday is this date, but I would like it earlier than that. I'm not gonna hold up your reading. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold it up until whenever your birthday actually is. So, but it is a free birthday read for upcoming birthdays. And again, if your birthday has already passed, upcoming birthdays for the season, we put it that way. If net season, zodiac sign season, you still gotta pay for now. But I'm just rambling at this point. I think it's pretty clear cut and dry. Email me if you would like that personal read, any sign. But Aquariuses are getting Aquariuses who have birthdays coming up are getting free reads this month, or at least this season. Let me put it that way. All right. Thank you for trusting me for being your intuitive reader for today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, until next video. Oh yeah, live reads tomorrow. I'm doing an all signs reading tomorrow, so definitely stay tuned for that. But keep subscribing, keep supporting, and I appreciate you. Peace out.